Hey folks, Nathan here, and today I'm going to teach you how to save time while color grading using a remote grading workflow. So open up Resolve and follow along, and by the end of this video you'll be able to grade a timeline with hundreds of cuts and manage and make adjustments to your different looks throughout the projects quickly and efficiently, like a pro. Here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and as you can see on my timeline, I have an edited music video. Now maybe someone gave you an XML for a project to finish off, or maybe you're just coloring a project you worked on yourself. Well, how do we do that fast and efficiently? Well, to get us out of log and to get us outputting to a color space that we want, we're going to go into our color management. And in this project, I used ACES, but you can also use DaVinci YRGB Color Manage. It's whatever works for you. But in this particular project, I was working within ACES. So now we're outputting to Rec 709, and we're going to go into the color page. Now we have a note from the director. They want these hallway shots much bluer, so way more cooled down, and they want these kind of red shots a little bit toned down in the red and maybe a little bit of green thrown in there. Now the way that this music video recorded is a lot of the shots are actually from the same take. So as you can see here, you can imagine this shot is probably from the same take as this shot, and same as this shot with this shot, and so on and so forth. So how are we going to create this look and apply it to all of these clips and do it quickly? Well, thankfully, I have the grade made beforehand, so we can just apply that in our gallery here with a middle mouse click, and now we have the grade applied to this clip. So we could go through and do the same thing to all of the other shots, but there's a little bit faster of a way. What if we want to select multiple clips, and then we can middle mouse click, and then we still have that same look applied, but there's still a bunch more shots to go through, actually over 150 cuts in this music video, which is pretty much the norm. So let's say we tough it out and we go through and we apply that look to all of those shots, and then the director comes back to us and says, you know what, actually, you went a little too blue with it, so let's bring down that blue a little bit, and we want it a little bit darker. So we can definitely do that, but now we need to reapply that look to all of these other shots, and we're going to be spending our time doing lots of clicking, and that's not very efficient. You always want to work smarter, not harder. So another method that's a little bit faster we can use is let's try working within groups. So let's grab a couple clips here from the same shot, get a couple more. Okay, great. We're then going to right click and we're going to add it into a new group. And you can name that whatever you want and select OK. So now if you'll notice, we have more node trees to go through, and we have our group post clip. We can then go into our gallery, middle click to apply that, and now we have this cool look applied to a number of different shots. And the great thing is, if we need to make an adjustment, let's say make it way cooler, it now applies it dynamically and automatically to all of those other shots, and we can just undo that with Control Z to get back to that super blue look. And you can make a bunch of different groups and then go into maybe your clips, use filtering to select just your groups shots so you can see all the shots in a specific group. But the problem is, if we go back to all clips, we now need to select every shot that's within that group and add it to the group, and we can definitely do that, add into current group and add more shots there, but there's a way that we can do it even faster. We're going to right click, and then we're going to go into use remote grades. Now this whole time we've been using local grades, so if we select use remote grades, you'll see it gets rid of all of our color grading because we were color grading on a clip specific level. That's what local grading is, but we're now in remote grades. So check this out. Let's select a random shot, maybe this one here. Now we can see this little bit of pink underneath, and we also see that underneath this clip. What that means is they're actually from the same media source. So we can see if we select other shots that they are from the same media source. So maybe this shot of him in the hallway here, it's probably from the same as this, or maybe the tight on the hallway, it's the same as this. Now we can make our adjustment. Let's apply our grade into here. And now that's applied to every shot from that same media pool. So that's pretty darn cool. And maybe we can go in and apply this one. And if we want to make, let's say, any changes to the shot, we can just make this way less blue. We can do that. And now we can see that a change applied over here, or we can just undo that as well. So that's all well and good, but let's say if we have a shot like this, where he's kind of moving around to a bunch of different locations. So we can apply our blue look, but we have him over here where now his face is in shadow. And what if we want to brighten up this shot a little bit? Well, we can do that, but now we're brightening up all the other shots as well. So we want to undo that. So what if we want to work on the clip specific level again? Well, we can right click and then select use local grades, but as you can guess, now our grades are gone. They're all tied to the remote grades. So if we go back into use remote grades, as you see, we can copy our remote grades to our local grades, or we can do the reverse, but in this case, we want to copy remote grades to local. And now as we go back to use local grades, you can see our grade is applied here. And if we want to make this brighter, we can do that without impacting the other shots from the original source. So it can make for a much faster workflow, especially when working on projects that have a lot of different cut up parts of the same shot. You can get the job done super fast and work smarter, not harder.